Sending a package in English uses words you'll need again and again. Let's make them simple. Sarah, I need to mail a package, but I never know what to say.
Don't worry, William. The post office is easy once you know the phrases.
Then let's learn them right now. In this lesson, William sends a package and buys some stamps. Listen for the useful expressions. I'll be the customer at the counter.
And I'll be the postal clerk.
Hi, I'd like to send this package, please.
Sure. Where is it going?
It's going to Canada.
Okay. Would you like standard or express shipping?
How long does standard shipping take?
About 7 to 10 business days.
And express?
2 to 3 days, but it costs more.
I'll go with standard, please.
Let me weigh it. That will be $12.
Let's break down the vocabulary. A package is a box you send. To send or to mail means to post something. Standard shipping is slower and cheaper. Express shipping is faster and more expensive. To weigh means to measure how heavy something is. And a business day is a working day, not a weekend. These words cover almost any trip to the post office. Does the price include tracking?
Yes, standard shipping includes tracking. You'll get a number.
Great. I'd also like to buy some stamps.
How many would you like?
A book of 10, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
Do I need to fill out a customs form?
Yes, since it's going abroad. Let me give you one.
Thank you. Where do I sign?
Just sign at the bottom and you're all set.
Let's practice. Repeat after William. First, I'd like to send this package, please. I'd like to send this package, please. Now, how long does standard shipping take? How long does standard shipping take? Try. Does the price include tracking? Does the price include tracking? And, I'd like to buy some stamps. I'd like to buy some stamps.
Excellent. Now the post office holds no fear for you.
Today we learned how to send a package and buy stamps. We compared standard and express shipping and asked about tracking.
Remember the customs form for packages going to another country.
If you're learning something, please subscribe to support the channel.
Give us a like and comment. What's the last thing you mailed?
Thanks for learning with us. Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you soon.